Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I was thinking about flying tonight. However, it's just a bit windy. You can, windswept and interesting isn't, it's a bit more than that. So again, usual place, I'm looking to fly over Fistral Bay, over the headland, over the Newquay Golf Course, try and get a decent sunset, but it's just far too windy. So here I am, I'm going to do this, going to go home, watch the Grand Prix qualifying, and see what happens in Sochi. So it is Saturday, I think the 27th, 26th, Saturday 26th of September. So it's Saturday the 26th of September, Saturday the 27th of September, whatever day it is, we are going back to the flat to watch the Grand Prix qualifying. See you in a bit.